Hi guys, for today's video, I will show you my new friend. Okay, come. It's my new friend.
Hello everyone!
So let's get started.
Hello everyone! My name is Rachel de Austria. My grade is 3 Humility. I'm 9 years old.
Guys, that is she's name, my new friend. So I will just get something. Peace. Let's go. So you even know my name, guys. You know my name. My name is Hannah Martina G. Endes from grade 3, Mount Makiling, and I'm 8 years old. So that's just want to say, and sit down. And see you in the next video.
Bye.
Peace.